Hello, my name is Fazal Wahab, and we are solving May-June 2019 IGCSE Mathematics paper 4. And this is question number 2 of paper 4. It has been given here. Question number 2, part A. AC is parallel to FBD. AC is this side, you see this one, okay? And it is parallel to FBD. FBD is this side. So AC, which is this side, and FBD, these two sides are parallel to each other, okay? ABC is an isosceles triangle and CBE is a straight line. ABC, this triangle, you see this one? This triangle is an isosceles triangle, and isosceles triangle is that triangle in which two sides are equal. So you can see that this side, which is AC, and the side AB, they are equal, okay? So if these two sides are equal, so according to isosceles triangle theorem, the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So if we label them, then we can find the solution easy. So let's see, this angle is A. This will also become A because these two angles are equal. This is an isosceles triangle. AC and AB are equal. So angles opposite to AB is this one, and angle opposite to AC is this one. These two angles are also equal according to the theorem, okay? And CBE is a straight line. CBE is a straight line. Find the value of x. So we need to find out the value of this x, okay? So, okay, x, look at the angle x, this angle and another angle, which is this angle, okay? Let me, this angle, this whole angle, this angle, let's name it y, okay? So x is equal to y because these two angles are vertically opposite angles, and the angles which are vertically opposite angles, they are always equal. For example, we have two sides crossing each other. Let's say these are two sides which are crossing each other, and we are making two pairs. There are two pairs of the vertically opposite angle. One is this pair. So these are A, and another one is this pair, which is x and x. So the vertically opposite angles are always equal. So this angle is equal to this angle, and this one angle is equal to this one angle. So these are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. So here x and y, these are vertically opposite, two opposite angles, so they are equal. So first of all, we have to find out the angle y, and that will be the value of the angle x degree, okay? So find the value of x first. Look at this one. X, here A is 26 degree. So there is another angle, we will label it as B, this one angle, and this angle B is equal to 26 degree, okay? B is equal to 26 degree. The reason is these are alternate angles, okay? So these two angles are alternate, so B is equal to 26 degree. Okay, another theorem of the angle sum of triangle, we will use this one to find out the value of A. So in triangle ABC, angle 26 plus A is equal to 180 degree because the angle sum of a triangle are always equal to 180 degree. So these are three angles, which is 26 degree, which is this A degree and A degree. These are the three angles of a triangle. So in the sum of these three angles is always equal to 180 degrees. So 26 degree plus A degree plus A degree, this is equal to 180 degree. And the argument for this one is the angles sum of triangle, okay? So this is the argument for this one. Okay, so we can find out the A. So 2A is equal to 180 minus 26. 2A is equal to 54 degree, and A is equal to 27 degree. 54 upon 2, that will be equal to 27 degree. Okay. Now, we got this angle B, which is equal to 26 degree, because these are alternate angles. What are alternate angles? We have two parallel sides. This one is parallel to this one. These are two the parallel sides, and the third line is crossing these two parallel sides. Okay. So here you can find two angles, this angle and this angle. These are called the alternate angles. This one pair is alternate angles, and this one pair is also of the alternate angles. Okay. So these alternate angles are always equal. So 26 degree, and these are two sides. AC is a side and FD is a side. These are two parallel sides, which has been given in the question. And this angle in B, these are alternate angles, so B is equal to 26 degrees. So we can find out X is equal to, X is equal to Y degree, and X is equal to Y is equal to A plus B. A is equal to, we have find out 27 degree, and B is equal to 26 degree. So we got X is equal to 27 plus 26 is 53 degree. We got this answer for this question. Okay. So this was question number 2, part A. Question number 2, part B. This is another question being given here. The diagram shows a circle with diameter PQ. Okay. This is the diameter PQ of this shape, this diagram, this circle. And SPT is a tangent to the circle at P. SPT is a tangent to this circle. Okay. So find the value of Y. We need to find out this value of Y. Okay. So in order to find the solution easy, we have to label all the angles, the relevant angles, which we will need it. So this angle is a relevant angle. We will need this one. It is A. This angle is B. This angle is C. Okay, this angle is C, and this angle is D. Okay, so by using these angles, we can find out the value of Y. How? Look at this one. B is equal to 58 degree. B is equal to 58 degree. Why? There is a theorem, circle theorem. Okay, and that theorem, it is being given here. Look at this one. The angle between the tangent and side of a triangle. You see, this is a triangle, and side is this one, and this is the tangent, which is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Okay, and the angle between the tangent and the side of a triangle, which is this angle, that is always equal to the interior opposite angles. These are the interior. With this one, and this one, these are the interior, and this one is the opposite angle. So the interior opposite angle, this angle is opposite to this one. So these two angles are always equal. So here in this case, SPT, it is a tangent which makes 58 degree to one side, this side of this triangle, and this angle B, this angle is the interior opposite angle. So B is equal to 58 degree according to the circle theorem. Okay. C is also equal to 58 degree. Here is another theorem for this one. C is equal to 58 degree, and the reason is angle made by the same segment. This is the segment. Okay, you see this one. This one is the segment. Angle made by the same segment at the circumference of the circle are always equal. Okay, so this theorem, it has been mentioned here. You can see this one. This is a segment. This segment makes an angle, this one at the circumference, and another angle, this one at the circumference. So these two angles are equal. That's why B is equal to C. If B is equal to 58 degree, then C is also equal to 58 degree. Okay. So now we can find out. We got B, we got A, and so we didn't. Okay. We need to find out the value of A. Okay. How can we find out the value of A? A is equal to 90 minus 58 degree. 90 degree minus 58 degree. Why? Because SPT is a tangent to the circle, and tangent to the circle is always perpendicular to the diameter of the circle. Okay. You can see this one. Tangent, look at this one. This tangent is always perpendicular to the radius or the diameter of the circle. Same thing. Okay, so this tangent is perpendicular to the diameter or the radius of the circle. So the this tangent is perpendicular to PQ. So this angle is equal to 90 degree. You can see this one. This angle is equal to 90 degree. So A plus 58 is equal to 90 degree. So A is equal to 90 minus 58 degree. So we got 32 degree. Okay. 32 degree. So A is equal to 32 degree. We need to find out the value of D. Because we got A. If we get value of D, then we can find out the value of Y by using the angle sum of triangles. So how to find out the value of D? By considering the triangle, let's label this triangle P, QST. So P, and let's name it X and Y. So triangle PXY, angle P plus angle X plus angle Y, angle D, that is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum of triangle, we will use this one. So triangle B plus D, in triangle PXY, B plus D degree plus 17 plus A degree. This is equal to 180 degree. And the result is PXY is a triangle. These three, B is an angle of that triangle, D is also an angle of that triangle, and A plus 17 is an angle of that triangle. So we can find out by putting the value of B, which is 58 degree. 58 degree plus D, we need to find this, plus 17 plus A. A is equal to, it has been mentioned, 32 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. So 58 plus 17 plus 32, D is equal to 180 minus 58 plus 17 plus 32. So 180 minus 8, this one 8 plus 7, 15 plus 2, 17. 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 10, 107. So 180 minus 107 is 53 degree. 73 degree. Sorry for this one. 73 degree. Okay. So now we can find out the value of Y. We got value of A, we got value of D, and we can find out the value of Y. Y is equal to, angle sum of triangle, we will use this one. Y is equal to 180 minus A plus D. A plus D. So Y is equal to 180 minus A is 32 and D is equal to 73. 32 plus 73 degree. Okay, so we got this is equal to Y 180 minus 325 and 370 and 105. So 180 minus 105 is Y is equal to 75 degree. And this is the answer of question number 2 part B. Thank you.